At the epicenter of innovation, where brilliance meets boundless opportunities, exits Kabarak University's School of Science, Engineering and Technology. Welcome and ignite your intellect in labs that aren't just spaces. They're crucibles of discovery, where equations transform into breakthroughs.
At this school, innovation is not just a buzzword. It knows no limits. We're not just students, we're visionaries ready to shape the engineering and the innovation world.
Ready to script your academic journey? Our September intake is your gateway to a universe of boundless knowledge and hands-on exploration. Don't miss out on the Kabarak Advantage. The Open Inter-University Transfer Program is your ticket to a transformative education at the most affordable university. Kabarak University School of Science, Engineering and Technology. Elevate your potential with Kabarak. Enroll now and embark on your journey to engineering excellence.
Kabarak University School of SSET. Tuko set, tuko check.
Kabarak University. Education in a biblical perspective.